My name is Zachary Turner, and I am a medical missionary student here at Eden Valley. And I was recommended by a friend who actually pastored in Colorado. He recommended I come to Eden Valley. At Eden Valley, we kind of take sort of an introductory to a lot of natural remedies, like hydrotherapy, to herbal remedies, to massage therapy, to cooking. It's only a week long, so you get a strong introductory to it. But yeah, which one do I kind of take to? I actually took to massage therapy really well. Yeah, for some reason I really like that. And the cooking class. I love the cooking class. It's just hands-on and tasty, So I was motivated really for two reasons. I wanted to gain knowledge, practical knowledge around healing the human body so that I could help the people I was already ministering to, because I was a Bible worker. And I realized I lacked certain skills, and I knew this because, and this is the second reason, because in my personal life, I gained weight and I hadn't been following any sort of specific diet or exercise. I had really a narrow conception of what it meant to be healthy, and it was slowing me down. And I saw how practical this was. Like, if I'm dead or if I'm sick, I'm not going to be able to help people understand the gospel. I'm not going to be able to teach the Bible. And if they're not feeling well and they're sick, they're not going to be able to comprehend it. So I really wanted to get this training so that I could be effectual and God could use me in the mission field. So the way it has impacted my life is, the most obvious thing is I've lost about 50 pounds. So here are the before and after pictures. This is when I was fat, and now I've become skinny. So health-wise, I am experiencing the fruits of all the principles that are recommended to us by God in the spirit of prophecy, where it comes to fresh air, sunlight, temperance. And the stronger I get at these things, the healthier I'm becoming. So my mind is clear too. And when I go to study scripture, it's a lot easier. I retain things a lot better. I'm able to think and process a lot more calmly and steadily. I have a ton more energy. That's kind of like the core, the first thing that has hit me experientially. And then the second thing spiritually is that I really feel like I'm starting to appreciate a lot more of the practical side of Christianity. I think I was heavily in theology, but on the practical side, they need to see someone with a well-ordered life that knows how to be healthy and reach them at where they're at with their practical needs, so that they're open to studying. I could regurgitate that before coming here, but I think coming here now, I really appreciate that. Now I esteem that idea way higher than I did before. If you feel called to come to Eden Valley, get the training. Why not? I mean, this earth is going to be a pile of ash soon. Might as well get the practical training to reach the people around you. Maybe you won't be sent to China, but at least you can help your neighbor.